Hello, welcome back to this channel. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my viewers, my subscribers. Welcome and welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching our video. In today's video, I want to take us through how to remove and fix back the microscope objective lenses. Now, first of all, we are going to remove the objective lens together. Now, let's go. When you want to remove the microscope objective lens, you hold this part down, hold it to be stable. Now, after holding this part to be stable, you turn each of the objective lens anti-clockwise direction this way to remove it. Turn it in an anti-clockwise direction like this. Turn it in an anti-clockwise direction this way to remove the microscope objective lens. Turn it in an anti-clockwise direction. So we have removed the microscope objective lenses perfectly. Now let's fix them back. This is a times 100 objective lens. Let's fix it back like this by turning it in a clockwise direction like this. Turn it in a clockwise direction like this. Like this. This is our times 10 objective. Turn it in a clockwise direction this way while holding this part down. Turn it in a clockwise direction this way. Perfect. We have successfully removed and fixed the microscope objective lenses perfectly. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe and like our channel so that you can get updates on our latest video. Thank you.